Hey everybody, this is video number 5 in a 6-part video series talking about supplemental preparedness and survival kits. Today we are going to talk about the B.O.S.S. This kit comes in this exact package. It comes with some survival tips that talk about the items in this package, and it's in Right in the Rain waterproof paper, so you don't have to worry about this getting destroyed. So there are a bunch of different items on here. Now again, this is a supplemental kit. You're going to want to carry either a Sawyer Mini, a Sawyer Micro Squeeze, a Grail Geo Press, or a cup and bottle set with some single wall stainless steel. This, again, is a supplemental kit. I carry one of these in my vehicle, but I also carry a Grail, I carry a Sawyer, I carry stainless steel to boil water. But in a pinch, this kit actually has much more options to purify and filter water if you're in a bad situation. So one of the first things in here are, let's say early in the morning you want to collect dew. These right here are little tablets. They're actually towels. These will expand and become little towels, but they pack nice and small. This is also a sponge that can do the same thing to collect morning dew. This is expandable, of course, but it comes nice and flat. Now, there's a couple different reasons why you would have this tube in one of these kits. One, if you're trying to reach water that's in a hard to reach area, in a crack or a crevice, say in a cave system. But mostly this is used for if you're making a solar still. So it comes with large sheets of plastic. To make a solar still, if you dig a hole in the ground and then put this on the bottom, put the plastic on the top, cover the edges, put some green shrubbery inside, and let the sun do its magic, it's going to put water into this cup from the condensation. Now, you can use this as a drinking tube. You could put this down in the cup so you don't have to disassemble your entire solar still. You could just drink from this tube doing it that way. This also comes with some kind of pre-filters for water. These are technically coffee filters. They can be used as pre-filters. It also comes with a nice pre-filter bag, which keeps all the crap out of the water. Now, this is an Aquamira Frontier straw. You can use this to drink directly from a water source. It also comes with a syringe. Now, there's some other plastic in here some smaller plastic. If you were really desperate, you could put plastic around green trees and tie it off at the end. That's what these are for. You can tie the bags off at the end of the tree, and the sun again will do its magic, and it'll produce water from that green shrubbery into the bag. Now it's going to take quite a few of those, and it's going to take quite a while to actually get water from it, but you can get water that way. Now, you could also use one of the larger bags to openly try to collect rainwater, or you can try to make your own filter system old school, where this is activated charcoal. It's not just charcoal from your fire, it's activated charcoal, and there is a process to do that. There's a lot of top-of-the-line filters on the market that use activated charcoal as part of their filtering system. So you would put the activated charcoal in one layer, stone, maybe some grass, some sand, as many layers as you can, as long as you got the activated charcoal in there. And you can make most drinking water pretty safe that way. I probably wouldn't do it with really mucky, nasty, disgusting water. I would do it more with running water, rivers, streams, lakes, things like that. But you can make your own filter. It also comes with 6 aqua tabs. These aqua tabs, I don't really like to use these. I like to use the Grail, I like to use the Sawyer. But in a pinch, if you had no choice, one of these water tablets, I believe you put it in your water container and you let it sit for, I believe it's 30 minutes. Your water will be safe to drink. Now, something else you can try with one of these big, larger plastic bags, you can fill it with water. I would pre-filter it first, either through one of the coffee filters or through this filter bag. And if you let it sit, if you let the water sit, again, not from a mucky, nasty swamp, but if you're going to pull it from a lake or a stream, and then fill this bag with water and let it sit in the sun for at least 8 hours. The sun will kill off some bacteria in that bag. The sun will actually purify your water for you, but it has to be up long enough. It has to be in direct sunlight. Are you safer boiling everything? Of course you are. There, I lost the instructions. You're obviously safer boiling everything or using a high quality filter, but let's say it's wintertime. You're not going to use your filter in the winter for the most part because you don't want your filter to go through the freeze-thaw cycle. You don't want to destroy your filter, so typically we like to use single-wall stainless steel bottles to boil all of our water in the wintertime. So this is the B.O.S. kit. Now there's one last video that we'll be going through on the next one, and that is the B.O.S. fishing and hunting kit. This thing is jam-packed with stuff, so don't miss the next video.